When will my phone get the latest software update? Is one of the questions that comes across every tech geek's mind. Generally, you don't have anything in your hands, and it completely depends on the manufacturer your phone belongs to. But does it? Let's find out. Android updates are basically software updates which usually make your phone faster and better for use in your daily lives. However, it can either make or break a phone if not applied correctly. Android updates mainly consist of two types: security updates and major firmware upgrade. Security policy updates are security fixes for a particular month to improve the security and privacy of a smartphone, which is assembled by Google and channelized to the consumers through the process of OTA. Firmware upgrades are the versions of Android operating systems that are released every year, which consist of new features and Easter eggs, which enhances the experience of the user. For example, Lollipop brought a new and fresh feeling to the old and boring KitKat interface, which is also continued onto Nougat, like the minor tweaks to the navbar and further on for Android O2. Every new version of Android is a progress towards an efficient and a cleaner interface year after year. However, for all the Apple fans, the update process of iOS can never be compared to Android, as it is streamlined and is controlled by only one company, Apple, which is the main reason why Android always faces backlash in terms of updating its vast number of devices, as it has a complicated network of hundreds of manufacturers trying to update their devices, and the carriers are another story. A software update can either make or break your phone, but usually if it does break it, the company takes care of it by releasing another update to patch the previous bug or flaw. One of the advantages of upgrading an operating system is that we enter into a new world with the same phone. Through a version change to the other, we have new features that make the terminal more attractive and intuitive to use. Updating a phone is like enjoying more things in the same handheld device. Normally, an update should take care, above all, to repair the problems the previous update had, in addition to including new things. But somehow, magically, the problems you had in the previous version of Android seem to disappear. This has happened on all the devices updated to Marshmallow. Many applications that were not compatible with the system caused unexpected shutdowns for the applications and boot loops, since the API was not adequate. There was another issue that many had faced, which was screen overlay detected, which was quite a common error for many phones that were updated to Marshmallow from Lollipop and was almost impossible to eradicate. One of the major fixes was to give your phone a completely fresh start, but it's not only the good things that come with these updates. Updates can also contain bugs. This happened on all KitKat devices that updated to Lollipop, when we saw that the users reported problems in the management of RAM, Wi-Fi connectivity, and battery life. Applying the most recent security updates to your device's operating system is the best fundamental security practice. If you're not running the latest version of an OS, you're opening your device to potential exploits. Remember Stage Fright, the exploit that left millions of devices vulnerable and paved the way for potential hackers? Thankfully, manufacturers had updated their devices to remove these exploits. Now, you might be thinking that hackers only hack phones of eminent personalities, but that is where most of us are wrong. Let's take ransomware for instance to understand this simply. Suppose your device is vulnerable to a potential exploit and your phone has been hacked after it. The hacker has store of all your private information and basically control over your phone. Now what the hacker would do is lock your phone remotely and render your phone useless. Then he will contact you asking for a ransom, or else threaten to leak your private information on social media platforms. That would be a very uncomfortable situation for anyone, isn't it? That is where security updates are important.